Now, for "you're welcome," there are different ways that we can sign this. Now, for "you're welcome," the more formal way to sign it is "you're welcome." With your dominant hand in closed 5 and your thumb kind of tucked in a little bit, you're going to touch your chin with your index finger right here on the side, and then just come out at a little bit of a curve and touch your chest. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, some other ways that you can express "you're welcome" is just by giving thumbs up, things like that. So when someone says "thank you," you're like, "you're welcome," like that. So "you're welcome" can be expressed with just thumbs up or things like that, or like this, meaning like, it was a piece of cake, it was nothing, not a big deal, nothing. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.